Hello friends, how are you doing? My name is Abhishek and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a brand new topic which is momentum trading. Friends, you might be aware of the terminology called momentum trading. This concept of trading an asset class which is either in a strong uptrend or in a strong downtrend is traded across globe. So all the hedge funds, financial institutions, and even the individual traders follow this momentum trading strategy. But today I am here with my concepts of momentum trading, how I do it, and probably I have selected one stock currently trading at a very attractive price level, which I feel is an ideal candidate for the momentum trading. Dear friends, from here on I will be bringing you with stock ideas under the category momentum trading from here on. So as long the market is trading on the upside and I find that there is a risk of trade going across globally and also in Indian market, there will be opportunities where we can trade counters in the upside direction. So let's move ahead and check the first candidate for momentum trading. Friends, before we go ahead and check today's stock, we will first revisit the background of momentum trading, what I consider for this type of trade setup, and also the company which I have selected, little bit of background about that company, how that company does business, what is the business model, what is the price chart telling us, all those things I will discuss a little bit before we go ahead. And of course, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and like the channel. Let's go ahead. The company which we will be talking about is engaged in the manufacturing and selling of organic chemicals and bulk drugs. Okay, so the company belongs to the pharmaceutical industry. I don't know whether all of you track it or not. It's not a mainstream big or mid cap company, it's a small cap company. The company is not very liquid, hence it is not heavily traded in the exchanges, but definitely you will find volume above 1 lakh shares traded per day. So definitely you can take a buy of that 1 lakh quantities bought and sold. Why I selected this stock? Because this stock fulfilled all the characteristics or the criteria. Why I selected this counter? I selected this counter majorly because of the three reasons. The first one being trend. The company is in uptrend. I have verified that within the three different time frames which I usually consider for selecting a counter or a script, and hence a multi-time frame analysis being done. The third point is the breakout or retracement. So either the company's price action will show you a breakout of a range or a retracement in the demand zone. So we will go ahead and check that. But this is the three major criteria which I follow. Apart from that, definitely I do have a framework in place. I am not talking about that framework of momentum trading right now, but majorly I am focusing on the counter or the particular share I have selected for today. And finally, this company which I'm going to refer here is trading at its all-time high. This company is trading at its all-time high. So the benefit of getting company um, at its all-time high is you don't need to be worried about the trend much, because it's already in uptrend considering its all-time trend. So that's the beauty of selecting a company which is trading at its all-time high. Okay. Now I won't waste much of a time. I will straight away go to the chart and see how things are panning out there. The company for today's discussion is IOL Chemical and Pharmaceutical Limited. This company is a pharmaceutical company producing, the generic products. And this is right now in front of you the monthly chart of IOL Chemical and Pharmaceutical. You can see that this company is pretty much in the trend in the monthly or long-term time frame, and there is a very important criteria for my trading system, uh, where I need to check that the lifetime high, at what time frame or at what time point the lifetime high was made. So if the lifetime high is made probably 5 6 months back, that is something which worries me. I want something which is very recent, and hence you can see that in the month of February, this counter made a lifetime high. Again, it made a lifetime high in the month of May. So it's absolutely a recent lifetime high which it has made, and currently it is trading above the previous lifetime high. Okay, I will now go ahead and check the daily chart, where we will be in a position to understand the price action in a better way and consider our trading setup from the daily time frame. So let's go ahead and check the daily time frame. Friends, this is the daily time frame of IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. You can see that once there was a deep correction due to COVID-19 from the month of March beginning till 23rd of March, this company also had a correction, sharp correction from 300 odd levels to 150. So this counter corrected almost 50%. However, this company immediately retraced back to its previous high. You can see the company formed a cup and handle pattern. This is very important. The cup and handle pattern was formed in this counter, and it started the uptrend from there on. Now the price was in daily uptrend, and over here for last couple of weeks this has gone in a sideways market. In this market, this counter has formed a pattern which we call a triangle pattern, and last week this pattern was broken. You see, I have made a black arrow head pointing downward to identify the candle where the breakout happened, and exactly the next day you can see the volume at the below of the chart was quite on the upside or higher side, which is a confirmation that the price has broken again its all-time previous high made here. Okay, now last trading session, which was on Friday. Today I'm recording this video on 14th of June. The last trading day of the week was 12th of June, which was a Friday. What happened? This counter made a inside bar pattern. In the At a daily chart, it is a very bullish signal after a breakout. That means price is holding this level which it broken out, the couple of days back, and chances are very high that the price will move on the upside. I see a 450 range coming in the next week itself. Now, why I said 450? Because you see The base of this triangle, which is formed here, is close to um, a range of 410 to 480, 380. That means a 40 points base has been formed here. And if I add the same 40 number from 410, that means 410 plus 40 will give me a target of 450 as an immediate basis target for this counter. It can be used as a swing trade as well. However, if you want to do a momentum or a positional trading, you need to book a partial profit when it hits 450 and to trail the counter until and unless it breaks down this demand zone marked with a range of 395 to 380. So 395, 380 is the ideal place to accumulate this counter, because this is a demand zone where from the price moved sharply. If you don't find this counter coming here, you can take a call here and put a stop loss just below the distal line, which is 380. I hope this makes a lot of lucrative trading opportunity for the next week. I'm probably going to take a position in this counter, so a proper disclaimer. Consult your financial advisor or apply your own logic before taking this trade. And I hope you like this video. If you really think that this particular video makes sense for you, please help to reach out to your friend by sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video.